Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present about H&M apps. We will be delighted to talk about it. Before we start, let me introduce my group members. Nur Ain Shafika, Nurul Ain Nadira, Anis Nadia, Amira Husna, and me, Nur Aina Sahira.
The H&M app seamlessly combines style and technology, offering innovations and convenience in the ever-changing fashion retail landscape. As an extension of the global H&M brand, it provides a virtual portal for fashion enthusiasts to explore, discover, and purchase the latest trends from home. H&M's online applications continue the tradition of reasonably priced and trendy fashions, breaking geographical limitations for clients. The user-friendly interface makes navigating through a vast collection easy, with sophisticated algorithms providing personalized recommendations. The app expedites the shopping process with features like an easy-to-use cart, secure payments, and efficient order tracking style. Style guides, trends insights, and eco-friendly emphasis enhance the user experience, while social media integration fosters a sense of community. User can stay updated on the fashions world anytime, anywhere, thanks to the app's seamlessly accessibility on smartphones and tablets.
Now, let's move to functional requirements of H&M system. The first one is security. By requiring customers to verify before logging in or becoming a member, you can ensure secure access to the system. The system implements security to protect sensitive data, including customers' information and payment details, to ensure it complies with relevant data protection and privacy regulations. The second one is product administration. The system makes it simple for the customers to categorize the products based on size, color patterns, product categories, and many other references by providing clear facts about each product, including name, description, price, and sizing guidelines. The system also allows the creation and management of promotional campaign discounts and special offers in order to attract more customers. The third one is inventory management. The system tracks and manages the product stocks, generate alerts if the product low in stock, and update the information in a real time to prevent stockouts. This will facilitate the process of checking out the item for the customers and also facilitate the system developers because they can track customers' orders and stock availability in a real time efficiently. The next one is multi-channel integration. Multi-channel integration allowing customers to browse products, make purchases, track orders, and claim the voucher by integrating various channels, including physical stores, online website platform, and mobile application. The other one is customer service. The system provides mechanisms for customers to share their feedback, address any issues, or manage the return process of a product through customer care line or email. The systems enable customers to track the progress of their product shipments. The systems also provide the frequent asked questions (FAQ) to facilitate a faster response for customers. The last one is payment process. The system supports various payment methods such as credit cards, debit cards, online payment, and cash, making it easier for customers to complete the payment process. The payment system is secure and reliable, boosting confidence in purchasing whether in online website or physical stores.
A non-functional requirement. The first one is consistency. By doing this, the consistency of data across all nodes is ensured. The transactional data, for instance, needs to be consistent. Before a read occurs, every node should be updated with the most recent data, otherwise someone could be able to pay for an H&M clothing with no money left in their account. The second one is performance. The non-functional requirement with the highest priority in your specification paper should be performance. For example, response time. To guarantee a seamless user experience, the website must load in a predetermined amount of time. Another example is scalability. There should be no appreciable decrease in performance when the website is subject to spikes in traffic during special events like sale or promotions. And the last example is throughput. The system ought to be able to handle a specific amount of page views or transaction every second. The third one is reliability. For example, availability. A high percentage of the time, 99.9% uptime, should be spent by users on the website. Next, fault tolerance. In the event of a failure or unforeseen error, the system should be able to function correctly and continue to offer a decent level of service. The fourth one is security. When handling sensitive data and financial activities, security is crucial. Simple software specification for e-commerce websites, such as H&M certification and a data privacy policy, can nonetheless build customer trust and encourage them to become brand ambassadors. It also has to do with various admin rules that help you manage who can add, view, copy, edit, and remove data. To ensure security, all sensitive user data, including payment information and personal details, should be secured using data encryption. Only authorized users should be able to access specific features, and their actions must be properly authorized and authenticate. This pertains to authentication and authorization. For instance, the only person with the authority to grant rules and modify system access right is the system data administration. The fifth one is usability. Interface user, the website must be responsive in order to offer a consistent user experience on various screens and devices. For example, accessibility. To guarantee that all users, including those with disabilities, can access and use the website, it must comply with accessibility standards. The last one is maintainability. It's common knowledge that factoring in the running cost of company upkeep is a challenging aspect of creating a business budget. For example, code maintainability. Developers can more easily comprehend, maintain, and improve the system when the website's code base is well organized and documented. Next, upgradability. There should be minimal downtime between upgrades, patches, and system updates provided the system is built to support them.
Next, I'm going to talk about system model diagram. H&M online presence is powered by a comprehensive digital infrastructure, including a website system that integrates various technologies, databases, servers, and software programs to provide a seamless and engaging online shopping experience. As you can see in the picture, it is not exactly H&M system model diagram, but it is similar with online shopping diagram. So in this picture, there are 5 actors are shown as stick figures in this scene, which are registered customer, web customer, new customer, identity provider, and credit payment services. Let's go through one by one. The first one is registered customer. It is an individual with an account on the online store. It much like when a user logs in to the H&M account to shop. The second one is web customer. A user who is simply perusing the online store without necessarily logging in or registering. A user not logged in but they can also shop in the H&M website. The third is new customer. It is a user who has never visited the online store before and may want to register. The fourth is identity provider, an entity that authenticates users seeking to access a system. For safe authentication, H&M may integrate with outside identity providers. The last one is credit payment services. Credit payment services, PayPal and credit card or debit card are just a couple of the payment options that H&M takes for online orders. Next page is about view item. There are search item, browse items, view recommend products, add to shopping cart, and add to wishlist. Let's see at the view recommend products and add to wishlist. Both are required client authentication. Hence, customer authentication is incorporated in these features. So the item might also be added to the shopping cart without requiring user identification at the same moment. This may be related to the login process at H&M, which may verify identity using social media logins or email and password combinations. In the last picture of system model diagram is about checkout. In customer authentication, online users need to be verified. In each of these scenarios, the H&M website authentication service is used. In the view or update shopping cart or in the shopping bag in H&M website, the user can add products, see what they've chosen, and check out using the shopping cart system. Order confirmation, shipping and delivery options, and secure payment channels are all part of the checkout process by using credit payment services.
So I will explain more about H&M apps interface. First of all, home screen. This is the H&M apps home screen. At the top of this interface, several buttons with various functions are displayed. Items on sale are also displayed here. Next page, menu button. By pressing the menu button on the top left of the home screen, the user can see a filter of categories. This makes it easier for user to find clothes based on their category. Next page, search bar. This sub-mode can help the user to easily find the product they wish to find by click search button icon on the top right of home screen. This app also gives search suggestions to user for save user time to find the thing they want. Next page, shopping bag. If user click the bag button icon on the top right of home screen, it will be displayed in the font of a figure 4. Items saved by user will be shown here. The price detail that user have to pay is also displayed here. This makes it easy for user to determine the true cost of each item they wish to purchase. Okay, so next page, items favorite. Items that users favorite will shown here by click love button icon on the top right of home screen. This makes it easier for user to keep their favorite items. Next page, user profile. By click the profile button icon on the top right of home screen, the user will be taken to this interface. This interface displays user related information such as item purchased by user, point collected by user for each purchase, membership and member ID. Furthermore, each item offer also displayed at the bottom of this interface. Next page, setting app add user profile. After the user click settings, button icon in the font of figure 6, the user will be taken to this interface. The personal details of user will be displayed here. User also can edit their personal information here. Next page,
buy items. User can buy item they want and choose size they want. Many various sizes that user can choose. After finish using item size, user can click add button to shopping bag. Next page, item details. Item details will be shown here. User can click continue to checkout to make the payment. Next page, checkout interface. After click continue to checkout, user will be taken to this interface. So user's information will display here such as name, address and item that user want to buy. Next page, payment method. User also need to select payment method to complete the purchase. The amount of item will be displayed on the bottom of this interface. Next page, payment method option. After user click select button in the form of figure 11, user will be taken to this interface. User has two options for payment method, which is by using credit card or cash on delivery. Next page, complete purchase item. By finish choosing payment method, user can click complete purchase button to complete their order.
H&M's e-commerce application is likely a pivotal component of the brand's digital strategy, providing customers with a convenient and engaging platform for online shopping. The success of the application hinges on several factors such as user experience, performance, mobile responsiveness, security, innovative features, social integration, scalability, marketing and promotions. H&M is designed with a holistic approach, combining a user-centric design, strong technical performance, and innovative features to create a compelling and competitive platform for online shopping.